How to fix WhatsApp video call screen rotating on iPhone. Here's what you need to know. If this issue started recently, it's most likely caused by a WhatsApp app update, not your iPhone settings. Some versions of WhatsApp have introduced bugs that affect screen orientation during video calls. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon at the top right corner and scroll down to check for available updates. If there's a newer version of WhatsApp, install it, as the bug may already be fixed. If you're already using the latest version, try closing WhatsApp completely and reopening it. You can also restart your iPhone, although this usually doesn't fix this specific issue. You should also make sure rotation lock is enabled from Control Center, but keep in mind that this bug can still occur even when rotation lock is turned on. If the problem continues, the best solution is to wait for a new WhatsApp update. App-related bugs are typically resolved in future updates, so keep checking the App Store regularly. That's it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, iPhone fixes, and iOS tutorials.